lying here for too long. I don't know what else to do. I wanna get away from every little thing just to try to make it through. I've been thinking about my options, every detail in my head, but it doesn't really matter, nothing matters, so I cry instead. I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left. I've been staring at the ceiling, I've been staying up all night. Everything I ever worked for vanished in the blink of an eye. I've been asking every question, 'cause I haven't got a clue. Why's it gotta be me? What the hell am I supposed to do? Circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left. And I know there's so much more to this life, but it's hard to see it clearly. Yeah, I tried my best, but nothing turns out right. God, I need you now so dearly, 'cause I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left. I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can, I ain't got nothing left. Nothing left. Nothing left.
Hey, I've been dreaming about you. Every night I see you clear as day. It's just something about the way you make me feel, 'cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do to me, I can barely breathe. Hey, I've been thinking about you and all the words that I'm gonna say next time that I see your pretty face, 'cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do to me, I can barely breathe. It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles, and how you move with your body is giving me purpose. So just quit my job, stop wasting time, spending my days with you. It's what you do, it's what you do. I can see you in front of me, all I do is close my eyes, and you're just standing there with your perfect you to